Now see the fourth sum. In the fourth sum, in the figure, if O is the center of the circle, O is the center of the circle, PQ is the chord, POQ is equal to 90 degrees. Area of the shaded region. Now in this sum, earlier in the previous sum we had to find the area of the shaded region, but now in this sum area of the shaded region is given. Area of the shaded region is 114 square centimeters. That means this shaded region is given 114 square centimeters. What we have to do is find the radius of the circle. Understood? We have to find the radius of the circle. So let's begin with the sum. Solution. Now what is given in this sum is angle POQ is equal to 90 degrees. Theta is given and area of the shaded region is given. So we write area of the shaded region is equal to 114 square centimeters. That means area of the segment is given. Now we have to find the radius. Okay, so we will use the same formula, area of segment formula. So we will use area of segment. Area of segment, you have to find the radius of the circle. Okay, so we will find, we will use the same formula, area of segment is equal to r square pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. Understood? We will write the formula. Now see, area of the segment, that is the shaded region. Area of the shaded region is given 114. So below that we will write 114 is equal to radius we have to find. Radius they have not given us. So r square we write it as it is. Pi we have to take 3.14. Theta is given 90 degrees upon 360 sin theta. That means sin theta is 90 upon 2. Now again this will be as it is. Now see this. This 0 and this 0 we can cancel. This 0 and this 0 we can cancel. Okay. Now 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. The rest we'll keep it as it is. Okay. So 3.14. After reducing, we got 4 here in the denominator's place. Put the bracket here. Minus sin 90. Sin 90 is 1 upon 2. This 2. Okay. Sin 90 is 1. Value of sin 90 is 1. You can write over here since sin 90 is equal to 1. Okay, understood till here. Now see what we will do is we will equalize the denominators here. Now see here, there is 4 in the denominator's place. You can do it in any method. Like suppose if I want 4 over here, so this numerator and denominator I will multiply with 2. 2 2s I will get 4. So we get an equal denominator here. Okay. Suppose see here, suppose I want 4 here in the denominator's place, equal denominator. So on both the sides, in the numerator's place and in the denominator's place, I will multiply with 2. Okay. So I'll do it over here. 114 is equal to r square. This left hand side I will keep it as it is. And this 1 upon 2, I want 4. Both the sides 4. So 1 upon 2, I will multiply with 2. Now don't just multiply 2 in the numerator, in the denominator. You have to multiply in the numerator's place also. Okay. In the numerator's place also we have to multiply. So 114 is equal to r square. 3.14 upon 4 minus 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Now see our denominators are same. Okay. Now our denominators are same. So what we will do is we will write the denominator once. Keep this first as it is. Write the denominator once. and these numbers we are going to subtract. That is 3.14 minus 2. Now see here, we wrote the denominator common and these numbers we are going to subtract. So 114 is equal to r square. See here, 3.14 minus 2, you get 3 minus 2, 1.14. So what I got here is 1.14 upon 4. Understood? I got 1.14 upon 4. Now what we will do is, we will cross multiply. Next step. So keep r square as it is. R square is equal to cross multiply this and this. 114 multiplied by 4, and this 1.14 will come down. Okay, here in division. 1.14 will come in division over here. Now see here, if you see these numbers, both the numbers are same, but there is a point over here. Now if you want to remove this point, we will multiply 100 in the numerator's place and in the denominator's place. Why 100? Because the point is after two numbers over here. The point is after 2 digits. 2 digits means 2 zeros. That is 100 we will use. Okay. After we will use 100 because the point is after 2 digits over here. Okay. So I will write 114 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 100 and 1.14 also multiplied by 100. Okay. Multiply 100 on both the sides. Now r square is equal to, see when you multiply this 1.14 multiplied by 100, okay, 1.14 if you multiply with 100, you will get the same number 114 and these 2 zeros when you add, and then you have to put the point after 2 numbers over here, that is after 2 digits. So what you get? 114. You only get 114. That means the point is gone. Okay, understood how to remove the point? Multiply 100 on both the sides. So when you multiply, the point is gone. You only get 114. So you get here 114 when you multiply it with 100. Okay. And on top as it is 114 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 100. Okay. Now see 114 and 114 is common over here. We can reduce that. So cut this and cut this. What is remaining? 4 multiplied by 100. 4 multiplied by 100 will be is equal to 400. That means r square is equal to 400. R square is equal to 400. Now taking square root from both the sides. When you take the square root from both the sides, square root of 400. Square root of 400 is 20. 20 is 400. So therefore r is equal to 20. The radius we got 20. Understood? Taking square root from both the sides. Square root of 400 is 20. 20 is 400. So answer, that is what we had to find. Find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is 20 centimeters. Understood? So we have finished the fourth sum. Now see in the fifth sum, this is the last sum of this practice set. A chord PQ of the circle. Now they have not given us the figure. Okay, they have not given us the figure. We have to do it. A chord PQ of a circle with radius 15 centimeters. Okay, that means the chord is given PQ. Suppose this is the chord. This is the chord PQ. Okay, chord PQ of the circle with radius. This is the center. This is the radius. Radius is given 15 centimeters. Okay. 15. This will also be 15. Chord PQ of the circle with radius 15 centimeters. Now it subtends an angle of 60 degrees. So it is making an angle of 60 degrees here with the center of the circle. Center is not given. Suppose we can take it as O. Okay. That means here radius is given and theta is given. Understood? Radius and theta is given. Find the area of the minor as well as major segment. So as usual, first what we will do is, we will first find out the minor segment. Okay, this part we will first find out. See, we will first find out this part, the minor segment. Okay, we will first find out the minor segment, and then to find out the major segment, we have to find area of circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, so first, as usual, we will first find out the minor segment. Okay, so first what we will do is we will write down whatever is given here. Solution. Now what is given here? Radius is given 15 centimeters. Radius R is equal to 15 centimeters. Theta is given 60 degrees. Okay, theta is given 60 degrees. That means POQ, angle POQ, that is theta is equal to 60 degrees. Understood? Theta is given 60 degrees. Now what we will do is we will find the area of minor segment first. Area of minor segment. Area of minor segment is equal to R square pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. Okay, write down the formula and then we will find out the minor segment. Now R square is 15 square, pi again we have to take 3.14 multiplied by theta. Theta is 60 degrees upon 360 minus sin theta, sin 60 upon 2. Okay, write the values. Now 15 square, 15s are 225. Next step is we can reduce this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. 6 1s are 6 and 6 6 are 36. Okay, 6 1s are 6 and 6 6 is 36. So 3.14 upon 6 we get here, minus sin 60. Value of sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. What is sin 60? Root 3 upon 2, and this 2 in the denominator's place, upon 2. Understood? Sin 60 you can also write, since sin 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2 and this 2. Understood? Now what we will do is we will solve this first. Now see this. First you can write this as it is equal to 225 bracket 3.14 upon 6 minus, see this, root 3 upon 2. You can multiply this, 2 2s are 4 you will get here. So root 3 upon 4. But see here, root 3 upon 2 upon 2. Now since there is no number in the denominator's place, we can put 1. Now this is in division. Then division, when you write it into multiplication, root 3 upon 2. Division, when you write it into multiplication, 2 upon 1 will become 1 upon 2. Understood? 2 upon 1 will become 1 upon 2. You have to write the reciprocal of it. So what you get, 3 1s are 3, that is root 3, and 2 2s are 4. So this is what you get. Okay. So you get root 3 upon 4. Okay. Now see, now what we can do is, in the previous sum we equalize the denominators. Here what we will do is multiply and cross multiply. Multiply the denominator and cross multiply. Multiply the denominator, 6 4s is 24, and then we will cross multiply this. That is 3.14 multiplied by 4 minus 6 multiplied by root 3. Okay. So what I have done here is I multiplied the denominator and then cross multiplied. 3.14 multiplied by 4 minus 6 multiplied by root 3. 225 will be as it is. We will multiply this 3.14 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, 4 3s are 12. So you get here 12.56. So when you multiply this, you get 12.56 minus 6 multiplied by root 3. Now root 3 value they have given us 1.73. 1.73 upon 24 will be as it is. Now what we will do is we will multiply this first. 1.73 multiplied by 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 7s are 42. So you get 10.38. Okay, there is a point after 2 digits, so put a point over here, 10.38. So this you write it as it is 12.56. So when you multiply this 6 multiplied by root 3, root 3 was 1.73. When you multiply that, you get 10.38, and upon 24 will be as it is. Okay, now see here, 225 will be as it is, 24 also we will keep it as it is. We will subtract this, 12.56 minus 10.38. Understood? So when you subtract this, you will get 16 minus 8 is 8. So you get 2.18. So when you subtract this, you will get 2.18 and put the bracket. Understood till here? Now what we can do is, first we will reduce this. Reduce this means in 2 times table we can divide. Suppose here, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Same way on top also, 2 1s are 2. 2 digits when we are taking together, we will first put a 0 and then 2 9s are 18. Now see, there is a point after 2 digits. After 2 digits, don't forget to put the point. Understood? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Same way on top, 2 1s are 2, put a point, put a 0 first and then 2 9s are 18. So what we get? 225 1.09 bracket. Bracket means it is multiplication upon 12. Okay, understood? So 225 multiplied by 1.09 upon 12. So what we will do is, first we will multiply these numbers and then we will divide it with 12. Understood? So first see here, first I am multiplying these numbers. 225 multiplied by 1.09. See here, 225 multiplied by 1.09. 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18, 22, 20. Here you get, now we will multiply it with 0. To 0 it will be 0 only. Then again put 2 zeros and then start the multiplication with 1. With 1 if you multiply, it will be same, 2 2 5. 5 2 5, 2 plus 2 4 and 2. 2 4 5 2 5. Okay, you get 2 4 5 2 5. So when you and there is point after 2 digits, so after 2 digits put a point over here. Understood? After multiplying this, what you get is 245.25. okay, put a point after 2 digits. Now what is left? 12 is left in the denominator's place, so we will have to divide it. Understood? 12 is left, so we have to divide it. So we will divide it by 12. Now this 24, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Okay, 12 twos are 24. Get this 5 down. Now 5 is less, so we will take 12. Zeros are 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Now see, there is a point here. Before getting that 2 down, first put that point over here on top. Okay, put the point here. Now get that 2 down. It becomes 52. Okay, so 12 fours are 48. 12 fours are 48. When you subtract, you will get 4 over here. Now get the last number, remaining number down, that is 5. 45. Okay, 45. 12 fours is 48, so we cannot take that. 12 threes are, we will take. 12 threes are 36. Understood? So here you get 9. 9, so again we can take a 0. Less than 90. Now less than 90, what can we take in 12 times table? 12 sevens are 84. Okay, so here you get 84. You will get 6. Take a 0. 12 fives are 60. Now we have finished the division, but we do not require this much. So after the point, only 2 digits you can take. Okay, even if you take that, it's correct, but after the point, just we will take 2 digits. So here we get, see here, so we will write the approximate value we are taking here. So we will write just 20.43. Okay, so after the point, I am only taking 2 digits here. So we get 20.43. That is the approximate value. So this what we got is the area of minor segment. Okay, that is the area of minor segment. So we can write the answer first over here. Area of minor segment is 20.43 square centimeters. Understood? So see here, we got area of minor segment. Now we have to find area of major segment. Major segment, I told you, first we will find area of circle. From that we will subtract minor segment. So from the area of circle, when you subtract the minor segment, you will get this major segment. Understood? So next step is what we will do is area of circle. So we will use area of circle formula. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Pi we had to take 3.14 multiplied by radius. Radius was 15. That is 15 multiplied by 15. Okay. So now 3.14 and 15s are 225. That is what we will multiply and we will get the area of circle. Okay. So 3.14 multiplied by 225. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. Put a 0. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, again put 2 zeros and again the same thing will come. 2 4s are 8, then 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. You get 0. 8 plus 7 is 15. 10 15 16 6 10. So here you get 706.50. Understood? So what we get area of circle is 706.50. Okay, so this is the area of circle. So we can write here square centimeters. Now from the area of circle, we got the area of circle and we will subtract area of the minor segment. So we will get this area of the major segment. Okay, so now we have to find area of major segment. Area of major segment is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, so area of circle we got 706.50 minus area of the minor segment. Minor segment we got 20.43. 20.43. Okay, so here 706.50 minus 20.43. 20.43. Okay, so here we get 686.07. So this is the area of the major segment. Area of major segment is 686.07 square centimeters. Okay, understood? So see this, this was the fifth sum that we did. First we had to find the minor segment. Okay, first as usual we had to find the minor segment. After finding the minor segment, we had to find area of circle. Okay, after you get area of circle, area of major segment will be area of circle minus area of the minor segment. So this is how you get area of major segment. Okay, so we have finished this practice at 7.4. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.